Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw BUSD from Kraken to Phantom Wallet in 2025. If you're holding BUSD on Kraken and want to move it to your Phantom Wallet for easier access or staking, you're in the right place. This process is simple, but always double-check everything to keep your funds secure. First off, a quick refresher. BUSD is a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar. Kraken is a popular crypto exchange, and Phantom is a wallet great for Solana and other blockchains. Make sure you have a Kraken account with BUSD in it and a Phantom wallet set up on your device. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account using your email, password, and two-factor authentication for extra security. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Funding section. It's usually on the top menu. Step 2. Find your BUSD balance and click on the Withdraw button next to it. You'll be prompted to select the asset, so choose BUSD. Step 3. Enter your Phantom wallet address. To get this, open your Phantom app, go to the Wallet section, and copy the address for the network you're using, probably Solana or Ethereum, depending on your setup. Double-check this address because mistakes can lead to lost funds. Step 4. Specify the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be network fees, so withdraw a bit extra if needed. Review the details, including any withdrawal fees from Kraken, and confirm the transaction. Step 5. Wait for the confirmation. Kraken will process your withdrawal, and once it's on the blockchain, it should appear in your Phantom wallet shortly, usually within a few minutes, but it can vary. Keep an eye on transaction status using blockchain explorers like Solana's or Etherscan. A few tips. Always use the latest versions of your apps, enable security features like email confirmations, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, practice with a small amount first. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw BUSD from Kraken to Phantom Wallet in 2025. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.